We're centralized in West Berlin and Berlin, New Jersey, okay, but we have customers in Long Beach Island, Sea Isle City, Hamilton, in Pennsylvania, Columbus, New Jersey, Malika. So we will travel if you want us to come out to you. We will be prompt and try to give you around about time we get there. If it's in a place we don't travel often, sometimes it takes a little longer with the traffic negotiations we don't foresee. But no, our travel area, we try to stay tight. We have our trucks strategically placed out in different areas throughout every day. We don't just try to put all one trucks in one part of one county, but we put them in multiple counties. So if a service call were to come in an emergency situation, we have a guy probably within 20 minutes of your location. Most times it's normally what it comes down to. So we can fastly respond for a customer to be thrown into the schedule. We're a family company. We will try to tend to your needs, try to satisfy your problem, try to cure your situation, and not make it be a nuisance to you.